This 50 kV single-phase pole-mounted distribution transformer strictly adhere to IEEE 57.12.20 standards. It is widely used in North American distribution networks, typically installed in 13.8 kV grounded Y systems, where the transformer is connected phase to neutral at 7.97 kV and provides a reliable 1:240 V split phase output for residential and light commercial applications. The transformer adopts an amorphous metal core, which greatly reduces no load loss to only 0.043 cubic. It gives very good energy saving performance even at light load, with a rated impedance of 2.1%. The transformer offers good voltage regulation and, together with its 2 to 0.5% no-load tap changer, ensures stable secondary voltage within 5% of nominal. Its design features include ONAN natural cooling, aluminum windings and additive polarity, with vector group II6. These features make the transformer compact. It is efficient and reliable for pole-mounted use. The unit has a surge arrestor boss. This makes it easy to add protective devices.